Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we will talk about another important German language learning app which name is German Dictionary. It is an offline dictionary which is very suitable for every German learner. So let's take a look. I have downloaded it before, so here I will tap on the open. If you open it, then the interface of this app is like a dictionary, a complete dictionary, complete German dictionary. So here I have searched a word called schlafen, which means sleeping or sleep overnight. So here is all about schlaf. First of all, it's a verb, so you can also know that it's a verb and which level this verb is. This is the A1 verb. So if you click on that, you can get all the conjugation. This is the important fact of this app. You can get every conjugation from this app, even if it is a dictionary. So here is the meaning, here is the audio,
Schlafen.
and the sound is very low. I will make it high.
Schlafen.
And here it is, schlafen. You can learn the pronunciation as well as the present form and the perfect and the imperfect, imperative and conjugative form এবং conjunctive form and any types of form you can learn from here. There are future, perfect, past and every important entities. But what if you are searching a word which is not a verb? So you can search like water. So here is water. Water is a noun which means dad or father. So you can learn from this. This is a masculine word and it has article like dear and it has meaning, and there is a simple sentence, mein Vater raucht, and then there is a singular and plural form. So you can learn everything of a word from this offline dictionary, which is very relevant, and I always use this. This is the perfect app and perfect companion for your German learning journey. So download it from Google Play Store right now. It calls German Dictionary, and then use it for as your a real Oxford dictionary. So I hope you all like this video a lot. So give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.